So obviously I didn't get the memo about the lovely British weather. It's tipping it down with rain, but we have got Sermon's nice little Z4. Off the back of seeing Joel's, he decided it was time for his to come in for a bit of a tidy up. Today we're going to do the headlights, going to get them nice and clear again, the convertible roof, get that all cleaned, waterproof back up again, and also a full interior detail. While we're here, we've got a 765 McLaren in the back, in for PPF, and we've also got Porsche Macan in for some G-Technic works as well. Come and check this out. So the Z4 is all tidied up. It's had the convertible roof cleaned and sealed. It's had the interior stripped out, fully deep cleaned, decontaminated on the inside, and also the headlights polished. Guys, quick tip, don't use toothpaste. It takes 4 stages of sandpaper, green cut polish, and then a refining polish over the top, and then seal your headlights over the top of that. Toothpaste will not last.